Well, it was a day full of shock and emotion in day 3 of the sentencing phase for Cedric Marks today. He was found guilty last month of killing Jenna Scott and Michael Swearingen back in 2019.
Marks called in 3 witnesses today after the state rested its case yesterday. 6 News reporter Sydney Deshawn has the very latest on what unfolded today. Sydney?
Chris, Lindsay, the jury knew Marks was going to call in 3 witnesses, and Marks said one would take a long time. What people didn't expect was when Marks called himself as the last witness. Before Marks testified, he called in 2 women to speak about their relationships with him. One said Marks owed her $30,000. The other said Marks lied and manipulated her throughout their relationship. Marks said in his testimony he is ready for the jury to hear the good, bad, and ugly. Marks went over his prior bad acts, which started at the age of 7 when he was charged with arson. Marks then tried to clear his name, saying he even remained friends with a person who once turned him over to police. Marks spoke about his ex-girlfriend, April Pease, saying she wasn't a good mother and was holding onto their child. However, he didn't dive into her death or disappearance. Marks brought up Jenna next. He said in August of 2015, he met Jenna and then paused. Marks started to cry, couldn't get any words out, and asked for a break. After a quick break, Marks dove into how the two met on Tinder and how their relationship all started. He says he never intended to smear or shame Jenna in this trial. He also claimed Jenna was violent with him and that he never laid his hands on her or threatened her life. Marks will continue sharing his testimony tomorrow, and prosecutors will have the chance to cross-examine him. 6 News will be there with the latest details.
That might be an interesting day tomorrow.
Sure will. He's opened himself up to that questioning now.
Absolutely, and it's just all that's left for the jury is death penalty or life in prison.
We'll find out what happens. Sydney, thank you very much.